You know, it's a boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. People, wagwan. I hope everybody good. I hope everybody alright. Say for the first time, yeah, check out the Chaddy More TV. Don't hesitate. Hit the subscribe button and turn on post notifications so anytime we upload videos like these, you definitely are gonna be the first to know. No, people, I'm glad. I'm happy. Me get an interview, or I should say, Vybz Kartel did the interview of the decade. Best interview to release since the one he did on stage. People, a long time we not see, now a year from Vybz Kartel. Yeah, we hear Vybz Kartel songs them. We see Vybz Kartel music video. Him do music video. Remember say Vybz Kartel I first one for forward boy have to do music video where him himself not in them, you know. Yeah, we see the music video them, but him not in it. We hear the songs them, but more teeth and tongue say before him go jail him do them song there. We don't know how them song they go. But right now, Vybz Kartel did an interview with Fox 5, and people, Vybz Kartel talk everything. It's a 5-part interview, and this is the first part. We are gonna talk about the interview. In this video, I'm not gonna really show the interview per se, but I'm gonna leave a link in the description where you can go over my Instagram page and watch the full interview. But we are gonna discuss the interview and discuss some of the things them that Vybz Kartel said in that interview. Vybz Kartel talk about the place, talk about when they talk about the dungeon.
It's dark, it's hot, it has like 3 or 4 bunk beds, it's got a toilet in the corner, and it's got a huge grill, lots of metal. It's like a dungeon, but it's, instead of being in the cellar, it's in the attic. I'm actually in the roof.
Yeah, Vybz Kartel compared a prison cell to a dungeon, or to the prison cell when in to the dungeon. I say, oh, John was star. You see me? Vybz Kartel even confirmed that he indeed did have a health problem. You see me? Vybz Kartel say him healthy now. So that means back then he did have some kind of sickness.
Yeah, because I was sick for a few years. So definitely I'm recovering physically, but mentally I've always been in a good place because I know I'm innocent and I know I'm coming out.
Some thought did I make say Kartel did have bronchitis. I think it's bronchitis. I'm not sure. You see, me and a doctor, so I can't diagnose Vybz Kartel. But some thought did I make say him sick. And we know say him did have visit the university hospital quite, you know, not really frequently, but 1 and 2 times him did go up there. So there was definitely something wrong, and he confirmed on that interview. But Vybz Kartel also said that he's in a better place. I still not understand that.
Mentally, I've always been in a good place.
Yo, people, we're glad to hear Vybz Kartel voice on an interview over about a decade. Vybz Kartel the behind the bar, and Vybz Kartel even expose the system. You see me? Vybz Kartel talk about the system. He talk about the real reason why he's behind bars. It's not for no murder, according to Vybz Kartel.
Yeah, of course, I believe that. And to be totally honest, the system really wanted me thrown away. It was never about me being charged for a murder. It was about getting rid of Vybz Kartel, not Adidja Palmer, the person.
Why do you say the system is out to get you?
Because they told us, they say we have too much influence. If you remember when Movado and I had that little feud a few years ago, we even went to King's house, which is like the home of the Prime Minister. And they were telling us that, oh, we're leading the kids astray, and if we don't stop what we're doing, we're not going to get any permission to do shows and stuff like that. So it has always been about the influence that Vybz Kartel has.
Vybz Kartel say, the system put him back there, which me and any sensible somebody where I watch this right now, no, say the system really sink Vybz Kartel. Adidja Palmer. The system offer Vybz Kartel, you know. Adidja Palmer just end up to be the person and lock him down. John was star. But people, it's a great interview and we're glad Vybz Kartel finally speak out. Lisa Evers, big up yourself from Fox 5 News. That's Fox 5 New York. You see me? And what me notice with Fox 5, them highlight dancehall on an international scale. Because remember they did the interview with Massacre some while ago. And them always highlight Vybz Kartel situation or dancehall in general. So, big up Fox 5 every time. You see me? It was a great interview. For a man, we not see over 10 years. The youths them were born 2008. Them not really know nothing about Vybz Kartel, you know. Because when Vybz Kartel get locked down, them are like, what, 5, 7? Them no know Kartel. Them only grew up and hear say this great DJs behind the bar and the DJ drop some song and them a vibes to some song. Them no know Vybz Kartel. Them no know Vybz Kartel and Movado feud. Channel star. Speaking about Vybz Kartel and Movado feud, Vybz Kartel even stated that when him and Movado did go up a garden house, the government at the time the government was Bruce Golding threaten them. Me see it as threaten. Because them a say, yo, if them not conduct themselves in a particular way, them are gonna take away the privilege from them of doing shows and stuff like that.
We even went to King's house, which is like the home of the Prime Minister. And they were telling us that, oh, we're leading the kids astray, and if we don't stop what we're doing, we're not going to get any permission to do shows and stuff like that. So it has always been about the influence that Vybz Kartel has.
You see me? So even though it was an art and an art form, them still want to take away that privilege from them time until now. Until them finally get for lock up Adidja Palmer. Or I should say Vybz Kartel. John, but Vybz Kartel is optimistic that he will definitely get out of that situation. You see me? The man in a high spirit like, whoa, me know enough people where they are road right now. Not have a vibes like what Vybz have. You see me? No upbeat like Vybz Kartel to what we hear on the phone. And I could have only Vybz Kartel do something like that. I could have only a great man like that. Because me not tell a lie. For me, if I lock down in a situation like that, I don't know how I manage. People right as I know where I watch the video, I pray the same thing. And Vybz Kartel just manage to keep positive and give you some good songs. Vybz Kartel are really the man. Anyway, still, people, let me know in the comment section what you think the Vybz Kartel are going to say in the next part. Because remember, I just the first part interview of, I think, 5. If it's not 5, it's 3. Something like that. I think it's a 5-part interview. You see me? And Vybz Kartel are going to spill it all. Boss. It's your boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. So that's at I am DJ CHADDY. Don't forget to leave a like on this video and comment in the comment section and let me know what you think about this topic we discussed today. It's your boy DJ Chaddy, and guess what? One way or any other way are the wrong way. And people, remember, watch the full interview on my Instagram. Alright, I'm out.